There are several benefits of producing at least some of our own food. For example, there are nutritional benefits and also psychological benefits. And when I say psychological, I don't mean imaginary benefits. I mean real and important benefits for our own well-being and personal development. Hello and welcome to another episode of the High Grow Garden channel, the home of vertical food gardening. As I prepare a nice salad using my first vertically grown lettuce, I want to discuss some of the benefits of growing produce at home. I didn't have a wide variety of vegetables at the beginning, so I had to purchase the tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions. As President Roosevelt said, "Do what you can with what you have where you are." The first and probably the most important benefit of growing our own produce is the access to highly nutritious fresh food. The nutritional content of fruit and vegetables is at the highest when the produce is picked. Immediately after harvest, the nutritional content begins to rapidly decrease. To be able to enjoy highly nutritious produce is a race against time. The sooner we consume the food, the better for our health. There are studies that show that even frozen vegetables have a higher nutritional content than produce that has been transported for a while and then stored in the fridge at home. I would even dare to say that organic produce that has been stored for some time in the fridge probably has less nutritional value than conventional produce picked and consumed the same day. You just can't beat freshness. One of the psychological benefits we obtain when we grow our own food is a nice sense of accomplishment. In the process of growing produce, we bring together some initial raw materials such as seeds, soil, water, and fertilizers, and then we allow those materials to be guided by natural laws to produce something complete and valuable. We are able to participate not just in part of the process, but the whole process from beginning to end. In this process, we are not just another cog in the machine, but we are able to participate in the whole production and development process. And even if it is just a head of lettuce, the sense of accomplishment is significant and real. Just look at what gardeners post in social media, and you will see how proud we are of what we grow. Another psychological benefit is the feeling that comes when we are able to depend on ourselves rather than depend on others. That's the benefit of increased self-reliance. Of course, in society we depend on each other as well, and that is a good thing too. But increased self-reliance can take satisfaction to a much higher level. With increased self-reliance, we feel more mature, capable, confident, and we enjoy lower levels of stress. We feel we are more able to overcome whatever life may bring. Self-reliance can become an important source of strength and energy. It can give us courage to accomplish almost anything. And very importantly, when we are more self-reliant, we are in a much better position to help our family, friends, and neighbors when things get really tough. There are several other benefits of growing some of our own food. For example, economic benefits, and also environmental benefits. But that, my friends, is a story for another day.